SWOOD Nesting brings an extra level of efficiency to your design process with automatic panel optimisation and grain detection to help minimise wastage as you maximise your production capabilities. Bolting onto the SWOOD CAM module, SWOOD Nesting enables users to optimise the location and orientation of panels on larger boards that will be manufactured on a flatbed CNC machine. SWOOD Nesting automatically sorts panels based on material and panel thickness, with orientation defined by the grain direction of the larger board. While panel orientation and positioning can be automatically defined, users retain full control to manually arrange the panels if required, and modify the order panels are cut in, the location, and the lead in and out for each panel on the board. SWOOD Nesting then generates a SOLIDWORKS assembly based on the setting and requirements of the nest tool. Paths can be added to the nest by importing the tool path from each panel or by adding saved automatic feature recognition and operations via a drag and drop process. SWOOD reports are then run after all tool paths are added. This batch exports the program for all sheets, providing labels and documents for each panel so the operator can identify them effectively as they come onto the machine. Manufacturers across the world trust SOLIDWORKS and SWOOD to inform their design decisions, and as part of the TriMech group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Learn more about each SWOOD product in demonstrations around our website or book your own private demo to see how SWOOD can help you reduce costs and enhance your design process.